Hey folks, it's Abel, and we're at Dinosaur National Monument here in Utah. What we're looking at right now are pictographs and petroglyphs from ancient Fremont people who used to live here about 1,000 years ago. Also at this site, archaeologists have found many different things that look like they date to around 7,000 years ago, and those are left from a different ancient people that we know even less about. So keep your eyes peeled, but most importantly, check out this ancient rock art. Now that red that you're seeing, that's kind of decorative on the images there to your right, are from minerals that are native to this area. Basically, the difference between petroglyphs and pictographs are that petroglyphs are carved into this rock, and pictographs are painted on top of it. You can ignore the graffiti that the idiots left here. Remember, when you go to incredible places like this, do your best to make sure that you keep it in the very best condition possible. These are treasures that we all deserve to experience. Isn't that incredible?
Yeah. This one's got like a unicorn horn coming out of his head.
Yeah, a lot of them have two horns. Those spooky stances, too.
Uh-huh. Maybe they were into weird hats.
Well, this one, doesn't it kind of look like a... It looks like an animal head on top of an alien's body.
Yeah, it does. He does have 5 fingers.
You get the triangle heads over there. Man. It's a mystery. And you can see the bighorn sheep right there that are native to this area. The Fremont people came and went during different portions of the year and usually followed game like that, like the bighorn sheep and the mule deer. They also farmed and ate corns, bean, and squash. Let's check out some more down the road.